Okay, what we did this morning, we took the cell, put it together. I got 30 thousandths of an inch on my spacing using the 7 plates, and I put splicing tape down the sides and wrapped the edges in electric tape to seal the sides of the cell up and the outside edges of the cell. Now let's turn the power supply on here, and we are drawing, you can see it there or not, about 4 amps. About 4 amps with this cell. As it sits, this is just straight well water. I just filled this 5-gallon bucket up with well water, and we got a lot of iron in the water down here in Slower, Delaware, so kind of helps. But as you can see, it's not really that bad. It's pretty good production off of this. Again, that's 1/8 inch stainless plates, 4 inches wide, 6 inches high, with the 1 inch tabs welded on, and I am using neutral plates in between. I have 2 positive, 2 negative, and 3 neutral plates. Like I said, she's not doing too bad. We're only drawing 3.5 amps. 3.5 amps, and that's at 13.5 volts. Now let's see if we can turn the voltage up and see what we can get out of it. Got 4 amps, and that's 14 volts at 4 amps, and we just turned it on, so let's see. We'll wait a couple minutes and just see what happens with this. I'll get it mounted in the housing here soon. I want to play around with it, the spacing a little bit, to see if I can better the production by changing the spacing before I mount it into the housing. But this is cell number 6 that we've been playing with, and getting a lot bigger bubbles out of it. Lot bigger bubbles. And again, it's sitting on the bottom of the bucket because it is heavy, and I can't hold it up off the bottom. So I'm kind of curious to see how much gas is actually coming off of it. We get it mounted in the cell, but I want to play around with the spacing a little bit before I weld the tabs together. I'll keep posted.